Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Madam Glam. Don't mind my stuffy nose, I got allergies again. I never had allergies my whole life until like last year. I barely slept like 2 hours last night, so I'm exhausted, but so don't mind my nose. But yeah, Madam Glam let me pick out 4 products, so yes.
Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets always 50% off. Their VIP program is amazing. They are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. And this is their socials, and of course, madamglam.com.
So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. So yes, I picked out 3 gels, and then I did pick out a white paint gel. I don't have any of their painting gels, and I honestly don't really have any painting gels. Usually when I do nail art, which I don't do too much because I can't draw, but I usually just use, you know, gel polish. So I decided to pick up a white paint gel, and I did already open it a little bit. It's just white. I'm gonna swatch it, like do lines and stuff when I swatch the polishes, but the first video I just recorded, I started like coughing and stuff, so I just redid it. So yeah, I already kind of cut it a little bit, but I did pick out 3 gels. I did pick out these 2. This one my rep actually picked out because I wanted this color called Beautiful Chaos. It's a purple and it's like really shimmery and it's absolutely gorgeous, but it's always sold out. And when I went on the website, you know, to look at what colors I wanted, it looked like it was available. It didn't say sold out, and usually it won't even show up if you search it. But I guess by time she went in and like put my, you know, got my color, my shades and stuff, I guess it was sold out. So she told me she was going to pick another color for me, and I said that's fine. So she picked Lilac Lace. I do already have this color. I don't know if I picked it or if it was part of a collection. I don't remember, but I know, but I do have it. I think I actually have it right here. So, but this one I'm going to go ahead and put in some friend mail. I'm getting ready to mail out a package of some friend mail, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in there for her. So yes, these 2 are actually part of the April collection right now. I did pick out 4 colors from there's 8 colors. I did pick out 4 already, and I wanted to get these 2, so I got Rainforest, which is this gorgeous green. Oh my gosh. And then the Persian Sea. I love lavender. This is absolutely gorgeous lavender. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get my swatch sticks ready, and we'll go ahead and swatch these, and then we'll see how the paint gel works out. All right, so we're gonna start with the Rainforest. This green is, oh, it's so pretty. I think it's my favorite green right now. It is just gorgeous. It's more brighter than a pastel. Oh, I just love it. And then the Persian Sea. This one is beautiful, this purple. I absolutely love it. I had a little fuzzy in there. I could not, I was like, oh my God, trying to get it out. But they're just gorgeous, and they are definitely 1 coat, but I just went ahead and did 2. And then I'm just going to go ahead and play around with the white liner gel here. I have Madam Glam brushes. My brushes got stiff. I put base coat on them. I heard you know, to put base coat, and I did put the lids back on, and they got really ruined. All my brushes got ruined, and I did order some new brushes. Not Madam Glam, a different brand, but I do want to get some more Madam Glam because they were fine, and I don't know what happened. I tried putting them under hot water, everything, and they're just not as good as they used to be. So yeah, I'm not going to be putting base coat on them anymore because yeah, I don't know, for me it just did not work out. So yeah, you're just going to watch me just play around with the liner. All right, so this is all the colors here, and I did already have that swatch for the Lilac Lace. It's a beautiful, like a pink, but with a tint of like a purple. It's so pretty. And then the Persian Sea, absolutely gorgeous. And then Rainforest, oh, I just love it. And then the liner, and it is a it's not tacky. It doesn't leave a tacky layer, so that's always nice. So now I'm just gonna think of a design to do, and then I will be right back.
All right, so I already applied my tips. These are the long sculptured square. I love those tips. And then I already did put my base coat and I cured for 30 seconds. So we're going to be using, oh my gosh, these peacock gels. They are gorgeous. Cosmic Sparkle and Under Pressure. I had to put them on top of these colors. So I'll be putting the purple, of course, with the purple, and then the Under Pressure with the green. And you guys, just wait till you see how gorgeous. So we're going to go on with the Persian Sea, and we're going to be putting this on the thumb and the pinky, and then I'm also going to do a Frenchie with it on the ring finger. And then the middle is going to be all green, and then the index is going to be a Frenchie with the green. So yeah, I'm just going to do one coat because we're going to put that sparkly one on top. So yeah, I already did my thumb, and we're going to put Cosmic Sparkle over that purple, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. These polishes are gorgeous. They're part of the Peacock collection. They're not real chunky. I love that. They're real smooth, and the glitters go on like perfectly. You know, usually when you have like glitter polishes, it'll leave like empty spaces, but everything seems to even out really nice. I think they're little flakies. So yeah, look at that, how gorgeous. So it is a tacky layer. So what I decided to do was just go right in with my stamping. That way I don't have to use, you know, a sticky base or anything because the nails are already sticky. So I'm just gonna go in with this beautiful design. I just thought it would be perfect. Oh yeah, I didn't mention I am gonna do like a fairy set. So that's kind of like, you know, what I'm doing. When I saw the colors, the green and the purple, I don't know why I just thought of fairies. So yeah, just a real subtle, nothing real, you know, extreme. But I just thought this would be super cute. So I'm going to be putting this stamp on the pinky and the thumb. And the stamp, of course, wasn't long enough for these long tips. So I'm just going to add a little flower where there was an empty space. I'm sorry, I was out of shot there. But yeah, I just put it right on the bottom of the nail.
All right, so I went ahead and finished the stamping. I did the thumb. I think it came out super cute. I love that you can see that. Look at that glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so for the middle finger, we're going to go in with Rainforest. And I'm going to do one coat, and then we're going to be putting Under Pressure. It looks, oh, wait till you see it. It looks so gorgeous. All right, so we're gonna go in with Under Pressure over the screen, and look at, oh, it's just, oh, I just can't get over it. I'm actually gonna do my toes. These colors I'm gonna do like alternate, you know, each toe, pink, purple. Oh my gosh, green, purple, and then put the sparkle over it because, oh, I just love it. It's so pretty. So for my background for my Frenchies, we're going to be using Rosy Nude, and this color is just so pretty. I thought it was just a perfect nude, light, and just, I don't know, just real springy. And yeah, I just thought it'd be a perfect background for a Frenchie. So yeah, I'm going to be painting that on the ring finger and the index, and I am going to do 2 coats. All right, so this is 2 coats, and I just love that color. It's so pretty. So now we're gonna go in and do the Frenchies. I'm gonna start with the Persian Sea on the ring finger, and then on the index finger, I'll be doing the green. I sped this up quite a bit. I'm not very, you know, good at Frenchies. I like the way they look, but I'm not like the best at them, so I'm still practicing. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch me do this Frenchie here.
And so I did go ahead and do 2 coats, and now I'm going to apply Cosmic Sparkle. Of course, we had to add that glitter in there. It's just so pretty. And then we're going to do the same thing on the index, but we're going in with this green, and I just love this green rainforest. It's just beautiful. So I did notice I did do that one a little higher than the ring finger, but it's fine. It wasn't like too way off, but I could tell it was a little bit different. So I did go ahead and add the under pressure on there. I just love it. So I wanted to try out the liner again, you know, on an actual, you know, nail set. So I'm just going to be adding a white line just on both of the Frenchies. I wanted to add a little bit of white in there anyways because of the, you know, the stamping. So yeah, I'm just basically going to go in and just follow, just make a white line right on that Frenchy line there. I really did enjoy the liner, very nice to work with, very opaque. Sometimes when you use just like a regular white polish, it's, you know, you kind of have to go in with a couple coats. So yeah, I really like this. I enjoyed it very much. I'm still not the best at making lines. I still gotta go in and clean up, but just gotta practice. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stamp one of these little fairies just on the tip here, and I'm gonna put bling here, and then we're gonna do some charms and little flowers on the middle finger. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just put the top coat. All right, so now I'm gonna take the diamond gel here. That's from Nail Couture, and I'm going to be putting on some rhinestones. I've been having some trouble with the McCart rhinestones. I've been losing a lot of rhinestones, and I don't know why. At first, I mean, I used it for so long, I never had that problem. So, actually, the last set I did, the Starbucks cup nails, I had some fall off like that same day, so I went ahead and used the diamond gel, and they stayed on. I wore those nails for about 3 or 4 days, and they ended up staying on with the diamond gel. So yeah, I'm gonna start giving this a try. But yeah, I'm just gonna be putting these purpley kind of color rhinestones here, and then I'm gonna do green, of course, for the index. So I did, you know, put the green rhinestones on already. I didn't want to show the same exact shapes, just the green. And I did just put on the, I guess I wasn't recording when I put the little mushroom on, but I basically just glued it on with the diamond gel. And I was going around with that thin brush and just filling in just all around the mushroom so that the glue, you know, so it wouldn't come off. And I was going to use purple flowers, but I thought it was too much. I was going to do purple and then a little white one, but I just thought it was too much purple. So I just decided to go in with the white just to add some white flowers because we have the white in the stamping and then the white, you know, little fairies. So yeah, I actually like the way the white little flowers look. So I'm just going to put those on. And then I'm going to be putting the little gold ball right in the center of the little flowers there. And I just thought they came out really cute. So yes, this is the finished set here, and oh my gosh, I just fell in love with them. Look at that glitter, just absolutely gorgeous. So yes, thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending these polishes. They're absolutely amazing. I always love their polishes. The liner gel was so nice to work with. Please check out the Peacock collection. They are gorgeous. So yes, I have a discount code. I'll leave it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.